This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Tim Massey. This lovely ranch-style home will provide all the space you need for your family, inside and out. Interior features a huge open floor plan with stacked stone gas fireplace, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The 480 square feet covered deck has been enclosed and includes a sunroom with hot tub, or could be used for additional storage space. Outside you will find a detached garage, 2-car metal carport, storage shed, and picnic shelter, not to mention the large, level, fenced front yard for the kids and pets to play. New metal roof in 2016. Wood-burning furnace is negotiable. Conveniently located to the town of Rocky Mount. For more information, review the details below or contact Tim Massey at 540-7